How to delete Roblox account in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the settings option from here, and after clicking on settings, you just have to click on the privacy and content restrictions from here, and on the bottom section you can see the account deactivation and deletion. You just have to simply click on here, and after that you just have to click on the deactivate option. So deactivating your account will hide your profile, like this is the temporary version of deleting your Roblox account, and some information may still be visible to others, such as items have listed in workplace and all. And you just simply have to click on deactivate, and it will deactivate your account. That's the temporarily deleting your Roblox account. And the other option, like permanently delete your Roblox account, you just have to click on the help and safety option from here and click on the help center, and then you just have to search for delete account and then press enter. And after pressing enter, you just have to click on this article, like how do I deactivate or delete my account. And after pressing on this article, you just have to scroll down and click on the support from which you have to fill to delete your account. And you just have to give your username here, then you have to give your first name, then your email address. Make sure to give the correct email address here, and then you just have to confirm your email address. And after confirming your email address, you just have to click on the device type. You can either choose PC or smartphone. I'll choose PC, and after that, type of the category, you should select the I want to delete my account option, and you can just write a short description about why you want to delete your Roblox account and all. And after writing that short description, you just have to click on the continue section from here. And of course, after giving the proper username, you will find the option like my proper username is this one. And now you just have to simply click on the continue button, subcategory type, I want to delete my account, and you just have to click on the continue button to submit the delete request. And after clicking on continue, you'll get a mail or confirmation mail from Roblox, and your account will be successfully deleted in within 2 to 3 working days. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.